Still relying on a basic doorbell that just rings and does nothing else? What if your front door could do so much more, like see who's there, let you talk to them, and alert you the moment motion is detected? Let's talk about the Ring Battery Doorbell, the smart home guardian designed for easy setup and total peace of mind, with HD video, motion detection, two-way talk, and a rechargeable battery. Built for modern convenience and smart security, this doorbell helps you stay connected to your home anytime, from anywhere, all without wires. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Ring Battery Doorbell, USB-C charging cable, mounting bracket and installation hardware, user manual, warranty card, and security sticker. Ready to upgrade your home security? Tap the link in the description below to grab your Ring Battery Doorbell from Amazon. Features: see more of who stops by and check on package deliveries with head-to-toe video. Plus, zoom in anytime for a closer look. Whether you're home or away, the Ring Battery Doorbell lets you check in from your phone with smart alerts for people and packages. You can talk to visitors in real time or let quick replies answer for you when you're busy. With the free Ring app, see, hear, and speak to visitors using real-time notifications, live view, and two-way talk, plus customize motion zones and link other Ring devices. Combine Battery Doorbell with Alexa for hands-free home monitoring. When anyone triggers Ring's built-in motion zones, your Echo device will illuminate and make an announcement, so you'll always know when someone's there. Specifications: Installation. Use the included level tool to mark the holes where you want to mount your Ring doorbell. Drill the holes. Use anchors if mounting on concrete, brick, or stucco. Screw the mounting bracket securely into place using the provided screws. Slide the fully charged Ring doorbell onto the bracket until it clicks into place. Secure it with the included security screws at the bottom using the special screwdriver. Make sure the doorbell is firmly attached and aligned correctly. To hardwire your Ring Battery Doorbell, connect it to your existing doorbell wiring. Turn off the power at the breaker first, then attach the wires to the two terminals on the back of the Ring device. Mount the doorbell and restore power. The battery will trickle charge, but it will still power the doorbell. Hardwiring doesn't replace the battery, it helps extend its life between charges. Setup with app. Go to the App Store or Play Store and download the Ring app. Open the app and either sign in or create a new Ring account. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth and location services are turned on. Tap Set up a device and select doorbells from the list. Scan the QR code or Mac ID barcode on your Ring doorbell or packaging. Follow the prompts to give your device a name and location. The app will guide you to connect the doorbell to your Wi-Fi network. Once connected, it may update the firmware automatically. Wait for it to complete. When done, test the live view and motion alerts to make sure everything works. How to charge. To charge your Ring Battery Doorbell, remove the device from its mounting bracket. Locate the charging port on the back and plug in a USB Type-C cable. Connect it to a USB power source. The light will glow solid blue when fully charged. Charging usually takes 5 to 10 hours, depending on power output. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Ring battery doorbell. See you in the next one.